Welcome to ABM, where ordering products is faster and easier than ever. From the main menu, simply click on Quick Order. Quick Order form, just type your product codes and add items straight to your cart. Previously ordered products. Reorder your regular essentials in seconds. Saved carts. Easily access and check out carts you've saved for later. CSV Import. Upload large product lists directly from a spreadsheet for bulk ordering. Our improved search bar now suggests keywords and displays related products instantly, helping you find exactly what you need faster than ever. ABM, making your ordering experience fast, simple, and efficient.